Okay, Assalamualaikum. We continue our discussion for tutorial 1, matter for our 6, number 27. Balance equation. We have two type of balance equation. We learn two type of balance equation. The first is inspection method. The easiest one is inspection method. You already learn this in your secondary school. And your hash A for A. Okay, the answer. B, the answer. Should be no problem. If you have problem, you must see me and we can discuss how to tackle this question. How to get the answer from this question like this. B, C. The answer. And D, the answer. So this is called what you call as inspection method. And then question E is what I call as redox equation or ion electron method. So this question we have special way to complete the equation. So I will change to my board. So this is the question. E. So for E. So for question E, from the redox, you at the first step, you must know how to identify which one is oxidation and reduction. So from E, CHOH3 change to CHO32 minus and IO3 minus change to here, right? Okay, so here change to here change to here. Okay, that's so which one is oxidized, which one is reduction? Clearly this is reduction and this is oxidation. Okay, from the question. So first, oxidation is CrOH minus to CrO3 2 minus. So and reduction is IO3 minus to I minus. So number 2, I need to change my board. This board is not good. Use here. Okay, so for oxidation is CrOH3 to CrO3 2 minus. Reduction is IO3 minus to I minus. First, identify oxidation and reduction. Second is balance atom other than O and H. Selain O and H. So from at oxidation, we have Cr already there. both left hand side, reduction and product, reactant and product is 1. So no need to change. CrOH3 to CrO3 to minus. And then reduction also no change for iodine. Iodine is 1 at reactant and product. So IO3 minus to I minus. So second is settle 3, balance, hash and O. So oxidation, balance oxidation, balance oxygen by adding H2O. So from here we can see oxygen 3, here also oxygen 3. So the oxygen should be no problem because both side is 3. And then for hydrogen, so CrOH3 to CrO3 to minus. So to balance hydrogen you need 2 plus H plus. How many H plus? 3 H plus, because here is 3 hydrogen, need to plus 3 H plus. Balance hydrogen by adding H plus. Balance oxygen by adding H2O. For reduction, here is oxygen is 3 from at reactant, at product no oxygen, so you need to add 3 H2O. So iodine IO3 minus become I minus plus 3 H2O because you need 3 oxygen. So when you add 3 H2O, you also add 6 hydrogen. So you need to add here 6 H plus. So balance the hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen balance by adding H plus, oxygen balance by adding H2O. And then number 4, balance the charge. Balance the charge. So from number 3, we can count the charge at the left side and the right side. The reactant for oxidation, we have 0 charge. For reduction, -2 and plus 3 because we have 3 H plus, so plus 3. So the conclude is positive 1 at the left side. So at the left side you have plus 1. Okay, so how to balance reactant and product? You must add electron at the right side or at the product to balance the positive charge. So positive 1 plus 1 electron, -1 to become 0. So both sides will 0. So here oxidation, CrOH3 become CrO3 2 minus plus 3H plus will plus electron, 1 electron to balance to become 0 at the product, because at reactant is 0. At reduction, so you need to count here how much charge at the reactant, 6 plus and -1 means it have plus 5 at the reactant and at the product. At the product we have -1 because only I negative, -1. So -1 and positive 5. How to balance the charge? You must add 6 electron at reactant because you want to balance the charge at the reactant to -1 and the product is -1. Okay? So IO3 minus plus 6H plus to become plus how much? Plus how many electron tadi? 6 electron, and become I negative plus 3H2O. So this is the balance charge. After the balance the charge, number 5 is balance electron and balance electron dulu. Okay, so From here we can balance the oxidation have 1 electron, reduction has 6 electron. So at the oxidation we can times 6 times 6 to become 6 also 6 electrons. So oxidation one more time 6 CrOH become 6 CrO3 2 minus plus 18 H plus 6 electron. And at the right side, at the right direction, just rewrite IO3 minus plus 6 H plus 6 electron to become I minus plus 3 H2O. So here we have 6 electron. We can cancel the electron, and then after balance electron you can combine to become a full equation, complete equation. So at the reactant 6 CrOH3 plus IO3 minus plus 6 H plus. Here 6 CrO3 2 minus plus 18 H plus I plus 3 H2O. So here because we have 6 H plus and 18 H plus, we can cancel out the H plus. So here minus 6 H plus here, and here also will minus 6 H plus to become 12 H plus. 12 H plus. So this is the last, should be last lah. If you can simplify, you simplify. So but this is the answer, final answer. Okay, from here times 6 kan, 12 H plus, the final answer. And then D, E, F. So you can, I already discussed this in your class. Okay, basic equation you need change. At first you get H plus, and then change to basic. H plus we need to eliminate by adding OH minus. So it become this is the final answer, F. And then number 28, solution iodine reaction between iodine with manganese to form I2 and Mn2 plus. Write the balance equation. So this is the redox equation. You need to do the redox ion electron method in acidic medium. From the reaction we should know it is in acidic medium. Acidic medium here means acidic. Acidic means the final answer should be H plus. This is the final answer overall. Okay, overall. And then B, after you get the final equation, how many milliliter of O2 0.206 molar iodine needed to reduce 22.5 milliliter of 0.374 molar? Reduce to, so make another solution that yang dia nak dalam ni is 22.5 milliliter of 0.374 molar. This is dilution process. So the equation should be like this: M1V1 M2V2 equal to 10/2. We can get from the equation here 10/2. 10 for iodine, 2 for Mn. 10 iodine, 2 Mn. So put it here, iodine and Mn. So you want to know the volume of iodine needed. So molarity iodine and volume iodine over molarity MnO4 and volume MnO4 here. put it in this equation. MAVA over MBVB equal to A over B. This is the equal to volume needed for iodine is 204.24 milliliter. Okay, that's all for 28.